All right, let's do this. Welcome to the stream. All right, let's do this. So today's on Tuesday. So I've not done anything yet. So let's just go through the pairs first. So if we look at oil, and guys, if you can hear me, welcome, introduce yourself, tell us what you are, where you're from, and any questions. I will answer them once I finish doing my analysis. All right. So we'll use the 15-minute time frame. And if we look at oil, let's start with oil. So we are using the previous week's high. We closed as a breakout, so nothing for us there. US 100. Yesterday, on Friday, gave us a failed breakout. Yesterday, we stayed inside, so we continue selling. Silver gave us a failed breakout at the low. We are buying it today. Euro card. If we look at how yesterday closed, failed breakout. So we are looking to sell. GBP NSD. GBP NSD gave us a failed breakout. I'm looking to sell. USD card, same thing, failed breakout. I'm looking to sell. And then GBP card, was this a failed breakout? Yes, it was. We are looking to sell. US 30. So US 30 closed as a breakout on Friday, nothing for us. GBP AUD still trending upwards, nothing for us. Euro NSD, we got yesterday. This is not a failed breakout. AUD NSD, nothing for us. AUD CHF, nothing for us. GU, nothing. AUD JPY, nothing. USD, oh, this one gave us a failed breakout. So we sell. So we looked at GU, AJ, GJ, nothing. Gold, nothing. Euro GBP, nothing. CAD JPY gave us a failed breakout. We are selling. CHF JPY broke out, nothing. Euro JPY, nothing. USD JPY, nothing. Euro USD, nothing. AUD USD, nothing. NSD JPY, nothing. AUD card, nothing. NSD USD, nothing. DJ30 same as US30. All right. So basically, I am looking to sell all these pairs. So let's start filtering them out. So we want to see pairs that are near the high of the week. USD card, GBP card, and then silver. So nothing so far. All right, so nothing so far. All right, so yeah. Okay, so let's see what you guys are saying. Mohammed Bilal, welcome. What's your overall win ratio of your strategy? I'd say 40%. Innocent Justin, welcome from Nigeria. Mohammed from Pakistan. Nika Mutuma, umepotea J. Something wrong with net, maybe? Well, I have no comment. Agnes Gituku, do you have these live chats daily? Yes, the goal is for me to be able to stream every day. So I'm still setting up the systems and everything. But so far, things are good. I'll probably be doing this every single day. London and New York. Boost Trading, Hamaira from Pakistan. Welcome, guys. So, yeah, so it's as simple as that. So far, I don't see anything that's remotely interesting to me. So, okay. So, yeah. And that is why sometimes streaming can be very hard because, you know, when you don't have all the, when you're not trading every day, you know. All right. So let's continue. Namdi, welcome. Hello. Jacob, yes. NSD looks like an FBO to me. So let's look at NSD USD. Oh, yeah. Yeah, you're right. Yeah. Good eye. Good eye. So we are looking to buy you also. Thank you very much, Jacob. Mohammed, 40%, 1:5. 1:5 is the target. We at least want to get out with a 1:3. So average is 1.28. So yeah. Namdi from Nigeria, welcome, welcome. All right, so one thing, this live stream is for my students. So I don't want to pressure myself by trying to be a storyteller here. I'm just doing my thing, showing you that trading is as boring as any other thing. Like, it's not that exciting. So I'll just chill out, wait and see how the markets play out, and move on with my day. So I suggest you do the same. Samuel Gashara, thanks for your support. You're welcome, man. All right, let's do this. Brian, welcome. I like your work. I cannot take all the credit. I also have my mentor, Stacy Buck. So, yeah, I also like his work. So how many pairs on average you get on each pair? How many trades on average you get on each pair? Okay, that's a very good question. So they are randomly distributed. I don't know. Yeah, they are randomly distributed. So this week we might trade gold, the next week USD CHF. So I can't really answer that. But the strategy, we just stick to the strategy. Hi, I'm new to your live stream. I have seen your videos though. What setup are you hunting for? Yeah, we're waiting for the pump and dump setup. Or the weekly reversal. That's a good question. How many trades have you taken this month? I've taken about 6 trades. Let me just confirm. Actually, I've only taken 4 trades. I missed 2, by the way. So, yeah, we've gotten about 6 trades. I've taken 4. I missed 2 trades. I traveled last week. And last week was one of the big trades, the big weeks for our trading strategy. But anyway, we stick to the plan. Yeah, so we have, so 2 trades were losers. One was a break-even trade, and then one was a 1:2. So those are the trades that I've taken. And then the trades that occurred. So some of the students took trades while I was away. So we had a 1:6, and we also had a 1:1. So overall, we are about 4% if we are serious. So, but so far for me, I am at break even because I have two losers, and then I have a 1:2 and a break even trade. So if I had taken the trades last week, I would be up about 7 or 8%. But that is how trading works. Anyway. So which pair is this? What is the results of the 4 trades? Yeah, I've already shared that. Which pair is this? Oh, so far we don't have even any pair we are watching. We are just chilling because it's time to trade. And so, yeah, like when you go to work and you are done with your work, but you can't go home because there might be some extra work. Anyway, so yeah, also, thank you guys. You guys help me stay focused. So sometimes trading can be really boring, really, really boring. And, you know, we are human beings. We don't like being bored. I like your discipline. Oh, I like it too. Thank you very much. How do you know that this pair shouldn't be traded in, though it's time? Benson from Zambia. Okay. Best broker. All right, guys, here's the thing. I have partnered up with XM and I have the best news. Like for me, when I started, they were helping me with like giving me double the account. So if I deposit $100, I get $200. So that offer is back. So if you guys want to take advantage of that, let me give you that link because wow, it changed the way that I traded. All right. As the link is being created. Are you chasing London kill zone? Okay. So guys, I trade the setup. So whether it happens or not, but the London kill zone, I'm still, yeah, it's a good, well, London kill zone, timing window, whatever you want to call it. We just need to wait for price to clear liquidity at the high of the week. Okay. So I have posted my best broker. I'm using this broker right now. So feel free to use the link and access the 100% deposit bonus. All right, let's go to how do you know that this pair shouldn't be traded even though it is time. So even though it's time to trade, that does not mean you have to trade because you have to sit and wait for your setup to come to you. And that is what we are doing. So far, we are waiting for these setups to come to us. And that is how we know we are not trading because it's not there yet. Okay, thank you for your replies. Welcome. Are you chasing London kill zone? Potato. We are waiting for the setup. How do you call for a break even on a trade? That's a good question. So let me show you. Let's look at the history. Where is it? All right. I think it was on Euro JPY. And which date was this? Seventeenth of October. All right. So Euro JPY, let me show you. EUR JPY. And it was on the 17th. All right. So was it on this day? Let me confirm. Euro JPY. It was in the New York session. All right. Ah, yes, here you are. All right. So let's break this trade down and I'll show you how we get to break even. So if we look at Monday, so Monday gave us that high and that low. So this is Monday here. And then Tuesday breaks out, closes outside of the range. And then Wednesday gives us a failed breakout, broke out, closed back inside of the range. So when we come to the screen, we are looking for an opportunity to buy. But where exactly do we buy? In the New York session, we wait for price to clear liquidity. So we use the 5 minute, and you can see this is the low of the week. Price clears liquidity in our timing window at 9 at the market open. All right. Once price has cleared liquidity, we were waiting for price to give us a level. And this was the level here. And then price broke out. So this small pin here was the breakout. But anyway, we get in here, we put our stop loss below the breakout candle. And then we are targeting a 1:5. So our overall theory is that price will be bullish overall. So we let price do its thing until the candle closes, the daily candle closes. All right, we are back, hopefully. Yes, we are back. So if you look at price action, we are not doing anything. We've gotten in. We want to get out at either our TP or stop loss, or once the day closes at 5. All right. So once the day closes at 5 like that, that's my break-even trade. So you find that it's about a 1:1. So it's a very good way of exiting. Like sometimes price will be up 3R, 4R. Sometimes it will be break-even. But that is how I manage the trade. I don't move my stop losses. I'm just waiting for price to either hit TP, stop loss, or the close of the day. Hopefully I've answered that. All right. How do you call break-even? Yes, I've explained that. For me, I would just wish to meet you in person. I hope you're not a serial killer, but put in the work, we might meet one day. All right, can you explain, for example, with your silver chart to show what you would be looking for the pair to do? For example, I see that we have tested the week's high and maybe looking to break through it. All right, that's interesting. Let's look at silver. Wait. All right. So if we look at silver right now, oh, okay. If we look at silver, I don't know what you're talking about. We are inside. The current price is inside of the high and the low. So that means we have to, because we are looking to buy, what I want to see price do is I want to see price coming back to this low and clearing liquidity, then giving us a level to break out and continue going higher. Simple as that. All right. Sultan Zamin, gold and oil, please. So I'm not looking to trade gold, so I don't know what you would be looking for. So this is the high of the week. Yeah, that is the low of the week. We got we've not really gotten any signal day. However, we see that price is consolidating, like so what I would wait for is there are two scenarios that could happen. Price can clear liquidity and reverse, which is not likely. Price, I think, will continue going higher like that. But anyway, I'm not trading this one, so I can't really pay close attention to it. Oil. Oil never gave us any signal. But we see price has started breaking out and closing up. Like all these people are underwater. So all these levels have been broken. There's a high probability price will continue in this direction, maybe to the high of the day. All right. So, yeah, that's it. So I'm curious, like, what do you guys want me to talk about? Because clearly I'm not a storyteller. Okay. CS Freak. Okay, thank you. Robert Moro. What about GJ? What about it? Where is GJ? Yeah, GJ gave us a very good trade last week. And now, here's the thing. When you come to the market and you find price is inside, so if you draw the high and the low like that, to me, I don't like trading inside of the high and the low. It's too much noise. When price reaches either this high or comes to this low, it's very clear cut. We are either going to have a reversal, so price clears liquidity, then reverses, or we see just price breaking out and then maybe even creates a small level before continuing even higher. So what confuses me a lot is continuation. So following the trend is very hard for me, and trading inside. So when I'm trading inside, that is just following the trend. What you want to do is you want to get in down here as price is breaking these levels. You get in there and then now you ride it up to here. But anywhere inside here, if there is no like clear liquidity grab, it's gambling. And yeah, that's my thought. Okay, so if you guys want to double your account, then check out the broker. Check out my broker. They will give you 100% deposit bonus. You know, longevity is very important in the market. Okay, so anyway, let's look at some interesting things that might be happening in the markets and just try to play around and see. So if we look at, this one is sell. We want it to sell. But okay, we have an uptrend and then we have this level. So for those people who don't understand levels, so a level is just an area where we have two or more touches. So we have this one touch, price comes back again, touches it and it's rejected, comes back and it's not rejected yet. So, but we have two or more touches. And our whole area is up to there. So prices have not been able to close anywhere inside here. So we can, so if you are to trade, you either want to trade going long above, stop loss below. Or if you want to trade the reversal, you want to trade below here. So that's the thinking behind it. That's US 100, all right? So let's look at other interesting things happening. Downtrend, no level yet. Cut JPY, no level yet. So, all right. We are inside. No, not that very interesting. This is a downtrend, clear downtrend. You can get in well. All right, this one is another one. So we have this low of the day. And we have this liquidity grab here at 310. So this is the exact process we want to see. So we will call this low of the week. It's not low of the week, it's the low of the day. But we have cleared liquidity and we see we have consolidation here. So this is a level. So anything above it, that is a buy territory. Then let's look at the sells. I mean the buys. This is another one. If you're looking to buy, this is an area where previously price has been able to break above. Price has come to this area, gotten rejected, come back to this area again, gotten rejected. So anything above it is a buy signal, stop loss, and then you are targeting. So you see the way it's easy to get in. It's hard to wait. So you wait for the failed breakout, wait for the liquidity sweep at the high of the week, then wait for the levels, then wait for your entries. That is the hard part. The easy part is taking irrelevant trades. NSD, USD. This is inside. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to watch silver, GBP card. Oh, and US 100. All right. So which one is the closest to entry? Okay, so silver has already broken out. So I see guys also. This is are you looking at US 100 because it's at high of day? So I'm not looking to trade, but I'm just looking at my concept to see if it's working. So to answer your question, are you looking at US 100 because it's at the high of the day? Yes. So we are at the high of the day. So there are two scenarios here. We can either be grabbing liquidity to reverse, or we can be breaking out and continuing with the trend. So we just wait and see. And let's look at silver. Silver's broken out. Maybe it's just a pin. So you find that there are also breakout traders who don't wait for the candle close. And I'm not saying it's right or wrong. I'm just saying that what I find works best for me is that close confirms that, okay, now we are ready to start moving. and you don't get faked out a lot. Anidiala. Ababi Babze. I like your strategy, bro. I like it too, man. Welcome to the team. If you'd like to learn more, there are links in the description, by the way, where you can access free courses or even talk to me one-on-one. They're all free. So check it out. All right. So you see the way it was a fake out. So if you, or maybe not, but waiting for the candle close is usually one of the hardest things that you have to learn. Do you trade news? If it's high impact, and now most of the news happen at 8:30. So that is usually outside of our timing window. And the ones that happen at 10 a.m., they usually either accelerate us towards take profit or they go and clear liquidity. So far, I've not been affected by news. So I don't even really look at the news calendar, whatever. So I'm not saying that, maybe I'm just lazy, but I have not been affected by news negatively yet. For US 100, would you be looking for a sell once it reverses and then goes below the consolidation area again? That's the theory behind it. So usually what we do is we have other confirmations. So for example, we are looking to sell US 100. Now, we like to sell it at the high of the week. But if you're impatient, then this is where you want to sell, below the consolidation, or you buy above consolidation. And now we have a new area we need to break. All right, how about GBP? Also, this one is just consolidating. And this one was just a pin. All right, so we need to close above those two pins. All right. All right, I would like to get your contact for one-on-one. Would like to join? All right. I think there's a link somewhere in the description. So if you click, there is a link there. I'll also link my calendar so that if you want to speak to me, you have structure in your time. Also, guys, I've seen you can also get tips. So if you feel like my content has been of value, you can support the channel by tipping me however much you feel you've gotten value with your super thanks. So I think there's an option for super thanks. So if you feel extra generous today, and be the first guy to tip me, Ah, man, you can be tipped. That's good. Watching from Biafra. Okay. Uche Auzie. Welcome. 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 Let's do this. Your thoughts on Euro CHF? Do I have Euro CHF? Euro CHF. All right. Do we have any signal? All right. So we see we have a failed breakout. We are looking to sell. Let me add it to my watch list. So where is Monday? Okay, Monday is up here. We don't have a failed breakout. We only have a failed breakout to the downside. So we are looking to buy. But we are interested in buying at the low of the week. So what's happening now? So we are at if we look at what's happening, we have a very explosive move up. So I wouldn't be trading this one. I would want to trade it as it's falling, but this is the ship has already left the station because your entry was supposed to be down here once this candle closed above it at 210. So yeah. Wait. Oh yeah. This one we want to sell. So also this is very interesting. We'll see how this one behaves. Maybe we might learn a new strategy here for continuation. Silver, nothing yet. 100, nothing yet. All right. Philile Mosia, welcome. Thank you. Thank you for watching from South Africa. All right. Welcome, global leadership, my friend. How are you, coach? I'm good. Have we met before? Or recall everybody your friend? Dominican Republic. Dominican Republic. Okay. Ken. Lenny from Yika. Is that Yika or Thika? Welcome, welcome, welcome. Everybody's your friend. Oh man, you're in for some big trouble. Oh, Ken, 20 USD Nezanza Forex. If you only have 20 USD, then you need a cent account. But if you have many 20 USD dollars, maybe 120 USDs, then definitely trading is for you. Delphine, welcome. These players don't want to move. They don't want to activate our emotions. Okay, well, our pairs, we don't have any pair that's closer to our level. So what I'll do is, okay, 20 USD, oh, global leadership. Hey, don't take anything personally here. 20 USD alone, not 20 times 6 or whatever. Then you need a cent account so that 20 USD can be like 2,000. And then you start risk. And obviously, if you're looking to make money with 20 USD, that's not a very good idea. With trading, the bigger the account size, the easier it is. Think about it. The guys that make 100K per trade, if you look at their overall account, it's maybe even 400 or 500 or even a million. So do you only take a trade when you are at the high of day, low of day, high of week, low of week? Only at the high of week or the low of the week. The rest, we are inside. So I'll just wait. Can you look at BTC? All right. All right. So I see Bitcoin has been on an uptrend. So if you are asking if you can use the entry criteria, then this is a nice pump, but we have a level also. This is a level here where price is rejecting. So what I would do is I would either wait for price to break below so that I would maybe go back to the low of the day, or I'll be looking to go long above the high of the day for a range expansion. Anything inside, you are lying to yourself. Interesting. Do I have Bitcoin? I removed. All right. So let's add BTC. And then we will put you up here. So anything below, and anything above. So just out of curiosity, let's see how this one plays out. So still, price is consolidating. So, damn, it's really boring. Price doesn't want to do anything today. All right. So BTC is at high of week according to your chart. Now, so we have Bitcoin. Yeah, let's say it's at the high of the week. I have a process. So first things first, there must be a signal day. So if I don't have a signal day, then I can't have a trading day. And then I have a trading day. So signal day is just a failed breakout. Trading day is the day when I wait for price to come back to the high of the week after I've already had a signal. So all this here, they already have a signal. Let me show you maybe US 100. If you look at US 100, this was the high. Yes, this was the high on Tuesday. We got a failed breakout on Friday. This is a sell signal for the next day. All right, no problem. But for me to take a trade, I need to know I'm selling, and then I need to know that I am selling from the high of the week to increase my probability. So all these things we are doing inside, we are just testing out theories and concepts that we use for our entries. If we look at, okay, silver, none of these pairs wants to break out. Damn, okay. Oh yeah, some of you right now, it's it's 3 a.m. Wow. So yeah, I'm lucky where I am right now. It's 10 a.m. in the morning. So yeah, good night to you too, my friend. Global leadership. Liars, welcome. Even Bitcoin doesn't want to break below. Huh, what's happening? Oh, okay. Kwani he's on my USD bit. Yeah, so I'm changing. So we are looking at different pairs to see which ones actually trigger an entry. Nothing wants to move. Everything is consolidating. Okay. Oh, today is NFP. I don't even. Maybe. I didn't even. Well, NFP. No, are you sure? Today is not the first week of the month. Today is October. October 29th, Tuesday. Today is on Tuesday. Look at who is this? NFP is not until Friday. Oh, Friday will be the first. Yeah. Okay. So US 100 has decided not to do anything. GBP card, nothing. Silver, nothing. Bitcoin, nothing. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to end the stream there and do something productive because clearly we don't have any setup forming. But most important thing, we showed up, we identified the markets, and then we put alerts where we want price to come back to later. So I appreciate you guys, man. You guys, before I go, someone wants me to look at GJ. We've already looked at GJ, and we said you have to wait for price either at the high or the low. So far, anything inside is risky. So you guys stay strong. I will see you guys in the New York session. Remember, showing up every day is what makes you consistent. And use the link to create an account with XM. You will get 100% deposit. So if you deposit $500 or even 20, whatever, you get that same amount. So that is what I'm currently using to increase my longevity in the market. So I recommend you do that too. All the links will be in the description. And if you want to talk to me one-on-one, I'm booked today and tomorrow, but probably if you book your call, we shall talk one-on-one. Have a beautiful day. See you in the New York session. Bye-bye.